Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to properly prep your nails for acrylic application to avoid any type of lifting. So as you can see, I'm just pushing back the cuticles, all that dead skin, lifting it up off the nail. And then so your electric file now, you want to have it on the lowest speed possible, but not too low where it starts to stick or start to budge or anything. It just has a smooth flow, but not too fast where it's gonna cause any ring of fire. So as you can see, I'm just slowly going around the cuticle area to lift up any dead skin, because any skin at all will cause lifting. And then on the nail bed now, you just have like a tickling motion to just remove any oils or any smooth. You're trying to rough up the nail plate basically. And you just continue doing that across all 10 fingers. And it might seem like I'm rough with it, but it's not at all. It's on the lowest speed. And I'm just making sure I clean up every inch of that nail plate, because like I said, you do not want any type of lifting. And forgive me when I come out of frame like this is my first video. I do catch up on myself and go back into the frame, but forgive me, this does not happen too often throughout the video. I try to correct myself as much as possible, but thanks for your patience. At this point, I just had to reposition the whole phone because I realized I kept going out of frame too often. Because it's hard recording and trying to see what you're doing at the same time. Because usually I would have my finger close to my eyes as I could, because I want to see every single particle. But when you're recording, it's not that easy. All right, so this brand, you could pause the video to see the brand. It's from Amazon. It's completely my favorite set of tips to use. It's not C-curved. It does have a slight curve to it, but it's just perfect enough where it's not a deep type of C-curve. This specific length I'm using is the 3XL. But yes, so here I'm just measuring the size to make sure it fits from corner to corner. And you can clip up So you might find some sizes where it's like it might be too big or too small, like it doesn't have the perfect size, but you can always simply just clip up the corners like I did. And as long as you fit it, how I make sure my tips are not crooked while I'm applying it on a client is the sidewalls. Like I just make sure my natural sidewalls are aligned with the tips sidewalls, and it all looks straight, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just focus on the sidewalls. And then I just put a little amount and apply it, hold it for about 3 seconds till it's dry, as you can see I'm doing, and that's it. So these little magnets, Amazon again, of course, they are very much required in my process of doing nails. It's just easy. You get the same measurement. You don't have to be measuring each finger, but definitely get you some. So here now, this is a personal, a personal preference. I guess some nail techs don't do, but I like to flush or blend the tips in. I don't want that harsh line. I just feel like it's just a cleaner process, a cleaner look. Even though you're not seeing it by the time you put on the acrylic, it's just my preference. So I just blend out that line where it starts at. You should try your best not to have the drill bit touch the natural nails, because you already drilled the natural nails. You want to keep it right at the tip of the fake nails, just to blend it in. And this is at low speed as well. This whole process is at low speed on the electric file. And yeah, you could just drill it up real quick, rough up the tip. Not that it will make a difference for the acrylic to adhere, but I guess it's just a mental thing for me. So this is an additional step you could take. Quick. Don't take that long. And a lot of nail technicians, when they're starting, you try to put a time limit on yourself, because that's the biggest issue when you do start is timing. So I would suggest, or I would say, a fair amount of time for this whole process for prepping. I would say 15 to 20 minutes. You should not be taking longer than 15 to 20 minutes. And that's just as a starter, as a beginner. Try to do all of this within that time frame, like right up until you're about to apply acrylic, 15 to 20 minutes. And then when you start to master that, then you could try to beat that time, try to cut it down to 15 minutes and then possibly to 10 minutes. Me personally, I'm at 15 to 18 minutes, and each client I try to beat that, get quicker and quicker. Anywho, so that product I just showed you is Mia's Secret. Like I said, you could pause the video, screenshot it. Amazon again. Mia's Secret nail dehydrated. This dries up, cleans up any type of oil that's there, if there is any oil. Dries up everything. And then next, the primer. My two go-tos. There's another product, but these two hand in hand, and when I'm ordering, they get ordered together. And then boom, the star girl of the show, Young Nails Protein Bond, my favorite product. I stand by it. I'ma stand beside him. This product I use a lot, like not even only for prepping, but for just before I'm about to apply gel polish. It's just a good adhesion type of product. However they formulate it is wonderful. It's wonderful. But this is the end of the prepping process. I hope you guys learned something new. And please leave a comment down below if you want to put a request in for my next video. If you want me to record anything that you're having problems with, feel free to comment, and I promise I'll make the video for it. Thank you guys for clicking. Please subscribe and like and share and do all of that good stuff, all that YouTube stuff. But I appreciate y'all for watching. And I'll have my Instagram and all those details listed in the description below, as well as the name of the products that you could find on Amazon. You could order them directly through the website as well, but I'm a Prime person. I order on Prime all live long days, so any nail supply I could get on Amazon, I'm gonna do it. But thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Bye.